If you use Microsoft Edge every day, this simple feature can make browsing feel much faster and smoother. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable mouse gestures in Edge, step by step, so you can start using quick navigation shortcuts with just a few easy movements. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is where all of your main Edge settings are located. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the full browser settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including several useful browser options. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find Browser Behavior and Features. This is the area where Microsoft places a lot of the more advanced browsing tools, including gesture-related options. Once you see it, click to open that section if it is collapsed. Inside, look for the option called Enable Mouse Gesture. All you need to do is toggle it on. As soon as you turn it on, Edge will start allowing mouse gesture navigation, which can make common actions like moving back, forward, and other browser interactions feel much more efficient. If you want to test it right away, open a new tab or visit a web page and try the supported mouse movements to see how it works. If the setting doesn't appear immediately, make sure your Edge browser is updated to the latest version because some features may only show up after an update. And that's it. Mouse gestures are now enabled in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you time every single day once you get used to it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.